How to uninstall Claude from your Windows computer. So hey guys, if you have installed the Claude desktop application and now if you wish to remove this or uninstall it, then here are the steps that you will need to do. First, simply open the settings of your Windows computer and navigate to the app section. Now within the app section, go to the installed apps. Now once the installed app launches, you'll need to go to the search bar and type in Claude. Now, once you have typed in Claude, wait for the application to appear here. As you can see, Claude by Anthropic PBC. Now, click onto these three dots present over here, and from here, click onto this uninstall option. A warning will appear that says this app and its related info will be uninstalled. To proceed, simply click onto this uninstall button, and now you can see that the Claude application has been successfully uninstalled from your Windows computer. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.